Good morning, welcome to the campsite. I'm about to make the best breakfast in the world. I call this the camping breakfast of champions. So we have eggs, scallops, and beautiful bacon. So to have the best breakfast in the world, of course, you have to start with coffee. So I have my hot brew there. The bacon is sizzling. We're going for scrambled eggs, so we're gonna beat them good. Nice and fluffy yellow. Add a little pink Himalayan salt in the eggs, little black pepper, and we're going to cook them in the best butter in the world and one of the most healthy as well. More on that later. Let's check on our bacon. Cooking nicely. All right, it's time to cook the eggs. Nice dollop of butter melting. We'll wait until that melts, then we'll put the eggs in. And the eggs completed. And the scallops are cooking. Ariana, I'm making bacon and scallops for breakfast. Come on out. Your favorite breakfast in the world, bacon and scallops. Come on out, baby girl, it's almost finished. Ariana, how is it? Good? Very good.